Hey everyone, finishing off on the question we started earlier, we look at part B of the question, which is asking us for the rate of entropy generated by the system. So, since it's an open system, we first apply our open system second law. So, out mass flow rate times by the entropy minus that which is in mass flow rate times by entropy is going to equal to del Q on T at the boundary plus the entropy generated. So now from this we know that since there is no heat transfer, that's going to become 0. And so therefore we can simplify our equation to be sigma dot, so the rate of entropy generated is going to equal to m3 dot, since it's a mass flow rate out, S3, minus m1 dot S1 plus m2 dot S2. So in order for us to find our S3, we look back at this, it's now saturated temperature. So to find our S3,